Hello, this is David Bartley from Bartley Realty. It's October 2nd, 2021, and I'm here at Innovation at ITEC to take a look at the construction which just began. They're forming up Building B right now. We have 3 buildings that are 20,000 square feet apiece, 2 of which have road frontage, 1 does not. We have spaces for lease here or for sale if you're looking for a flex space in Fort Myers, very close to I-75, just off of exit 128. Give me a call, 239-261-1186, or reach us on the web at bartleyrealty.com.